In my 29 years of public service, my only client has been justice. I am grateful and honored to have the support of law enforcement. I just can't with that history. In accordance with the laws of the state of Nevada, this court...
Welcome back, guys. I trust you've been staying safe. Now, in a rather unfortunate incident, Judge Mary K. Holtus was unfortunately attacked by the out-of-control defendant criminal, Deborah DeLone Redding, just as she was about to pronounce sentence on him after having initially denied his plea for probation. Now, the case is still ongoing. I've done several videos on it, talking about what happened at the courtroom. Another one also talking about Deborah DeLone Redding refusing to reappear in court to take his sentencing. Another video also giving a brief history about other things about Deborah Redding and who he is and other crimes he has committed. Now, I thought it wise to also do a little more research about this judge, and the things I found, I think you would want to know. So the question I asked myself is, how did we get to this point? Who knows anything about this judge? What do we even know about her? It's unfortunate she's been in this situation, but I think it's worth getting to know more about Judge Mary K. Holtus. Maybe we can begin to understand what she brings to the table as far as her role is concerned. And the things I found in my research would blow your mind. Now, her real name is Mary K. Holtus, and she's 62 years old. She was born in 1961 at Endicott in New York in the United States of America. She currently resides in Las Vegas, Nevada, also in the United States of America. For security reasons, I'm not going to mention her parents' names. I'm not going to mention her sister's name. I'm not going to mention her husband's name. All I can mention is also that she has 3 kids. So she's a happily married wife and also a mother of 3 kids. And she currently serves in the capacity as the Chief Deputy District Attorney of the Clark County, Nevada. Now, beyond her professional life, Judge Mary K. Holtus is a devoted family woman. She shares her life with her husband and her 3 children. And I took a look at her social media handles and I was really impressed. She seems to be a very nice person. I don't know her personally, but from what I saw, it's had an aura of niceness about it. She seems to be a very warm person outside of the profession, but then also on the job. At 62 years old, Judge Mary K. Holtus brings a wealth of experience and wisdom to her role as the Chief Deputy District Attorney in the Clark County in Nevada. According to what I found, she has been at this role for some time now, and she has done such a great job with regards to how she has handled cases as far back as over 2 decades in various roles in the build-up to her profession. Now, she's the judge for the 8th Judicial District Court in Nevada, but then she started as a Deputy District Attorney in Clark County back in 1991. Yeah, as far back as 1991. I'm sure some of you watching might not even have been born. Now, if she started, let's do the mathematics. If she started doing this as far back as 1991, that means she's been doing this for over 3 decades at least. Yeah, and this speaks to the wealth of experience that she has. So, coming back to the case at hand, you can see the professionalism with which she conducted herself. If it were to be somebody else, being human as she is, after the attack was over, she could have done something else out of retaliation. But to the best of what we saw on the footage, you saw that she was still managing to compose herself, despite having suffered such brutality at the hands of this out-of-control Deborah DeLone Redding, which is very unfortunate. And I am waiting to see the measures and protocols that will be put in place to protect such public officials in the execution of their duty, because they can't be exposed to such risks in the line of duty. I think this could have been worse than it actually was, although it's still unfortunate, and my heart goes out to her for what she suffered and the trauma it also brings. But then I think that measures should be put in place. But I also tip my hats off to her for her professional conduct. She got up and she didn't try doing anything physically to get back at Deobra Redden at the time he had been restrained, actually. So this is just a little bit about who Judge Mary K. Holthus is. And I'm putting out another video talking about the fact that these two are going to meet in court again. Yeah, from what I have researched on, Judge Mary K. Holthus is going to meet Deobra Delone Redden in court again to pronounce his sentence. Yeah. I'm going to bring you a special insight on that one and provide you details of how that is going to play out. So my heart goes out to her and her family. I hope she's recovering well. She's actually back at post, but I hope that she's recovering well, both physically, emotionally, and psychologically. I hope she's getting the support she needs, and I hope this would be the reference point for some changes to be made in terms of the physical setup to protect such judicial and public officials from the dangers associated with their work. What do you think about this whole thing? Let me know in the comment section. If there's something else about her I didn't cover in this, just let me know. I think that she's been through so much, and it's good we also send some love towards her way. If you have any nice thing to send to Judge Mary K. Holthus, just put it in the comment section. For me, I wish her all the best. I wish her a speedy recovery. I say sorry for what she suffered in the line of duty, and I pray that better measures are put in place to protect herself and other public officials as such in their line of duty. Subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Leave your comments in the comment section. Turn on the post notifications, and I'll catch you on the next one.